Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily factory reset your Xiaomi robot vacuum H50 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and now open up the case. Here you will have a button that you will need to insert the pin inside of. So just go over and press the pin in. And it has to be until you hear a click. So now we heard a click. Keep on holding for a few seconds.
Successfully reset factory settings.
And after 3 seconds passing, it is now resetting to factory settings. So it gives us a voice prompt, and that's basically where we have a new setup where we can easily set it up again. So now it is gone from the app. It should be offline. As you guys can see, it is turning off now, and the robot here is standing. So as you guys can see, the robot has been deleted from the app, and that's basically it. So here you guys can simply add it again by pressing both of those buttons. You guys can add the device, and that's basically how you guys can factory reset it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.